Challenge 14. Write a method that receives the date before the current day as the first parameter and the current date as the second parameter, and returns the number of days between them. So we have a method that receives the date time, date 1 and date 2. So return, this is very simple. Return date 2 minus date 1 and dot days, number of days. So let's test challenge. So for example, new date time, and for example the year is 2010 and 9 and 9, just example. And second parameter is date time dot now. Run, and we have CW and run again, and we have 4,608 days.